Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use 360-degree 3D elements in Canva. All right, so let's begin with the video. These elements are super fun to play with and can add a realistic, dynamic look to your designs. You can use them in your social media posts, thumbnails, or any creative project to make them stand out. So to find 3D elements, open up your project and go to Elements tab at the left side. In the search bar, search for anything you want. It could be an object, a shape, or even a theme. Then scroll all the way down and you'll see a section with 3D elements. Click on See All and you'll find all the 3D options related to your search. Add one to your page and increase the size a little bit. You'll notice a small icon in the center of the element. Click and hold it to rotate your object in 360 degree. Adjust it to the angle or position that fits your design best. Now you can try more examples. Search for something like Halloween and you'll see many cool 3D options. Pick one, add it to the design, and rotate it to your liking. You can see how realistic and fun it looks. You can also search for something like a glass, add it to your design, and rotate it around. The movement is smooth and realistic, which makes your design more eye-catching. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use 360-degree 3D elements in Canva. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.